Welcome everyone to my first episode of day trading. I would like to execute my trades of Ethereum long. Right here we're API trading on Binance. We're connected to our account. And I'm looking for getting started into this one as the action right now is exactly where I'm looking for. So this is going to be a long of 100 Ethereums. It's a 10x leverage. We have 10 Ethereum's margin, which means around $29,000 margin, and that is a $295,000 position. Let's get into this one, guys. At a market order, we got into at $2,958. I'd like to talk about it once I set my stop loss to the place I have my zone. And then the take profit just like to the place I got my zone. Specifically for that, what we have here as a final representation is a $2,560 stop loss and a $6,493, almost $6,500 take profit on a 2.2%, and the stop loss is sitting on 0.87. This is almost 3 to 1. This is actually, if we measure that one, we are going to discover the fact that this is a target. Let me share that with you guys. That's where we have. This is a 2.55 risk and reward ratio, as you can see that. So as a day trading, it meets the minimal number. It is pretty much in a situation that I'd like to take my opportunity. Besides that, I'd like to explain and share with you the fact that we are defining certain levels, just like the one you see where we should exit, which means the short, right? You exit out of a long there. That's basically the way you reverse a long position on the futures market, by getting into a short. The long position is over there, and then the stop loss as well is set in between the yellow lines. Green lines is for the entry of the long, and then the red line is for the exit of the long, which means shorting the market. So this is how we are defining our entry points and levels that we are working with. But at the same time, these levels are pretty much decided based on something. That is the internal technical analysis we do. With the price action analysis, we got our ChatGPT bot helping us perform as well, and everything is run in the background. Once we got the results and we decide where these signals are coming into, I am marking basically on the screen those levels, and we start trading as soon as we have market representation in those levels. We start trading with an entry. So once the signal has been printed between that level, we are proceeding. Simple and straightforward, just like that. Now, for those of you that would like to see the outcome of this one, just watch this video till the end. I'm going to pause the recording and talk about a little later on. In the meantime, you guys can check out the one-on-one coaching program that I have, including the done for you trading. If you want to participate in my trades, you can definitely check that one as well. This is my description of the one-on-one coaching program page at scrembocoaching.com. You can find out more details. You can also register now for a free call with me to discover more. If you care about trading correctly on the markets and consistently for long term by applying certain rules and ways of trading around the corner, which is actually a quite complex piece of the puzzle out here, this is an intensive one-on-one coaching where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade from A to Z, while sharing with you my screen and walking through the entire process. Between 4 to 6 weeks, we're going to be live on Zoom conversations doing it. At the same time, if you want to be part of my trades and my trading journey, you can definitely do so without any prior fees, just a commission from the pure profits made. If you want to find out more, all the links are in the description area and comments area. Reach out. So for the moment, let's see what's happening with a trade and then discuss more about it. What is up, guys? Updating you on my position here with the trade that has been going into the profit side. Of course, $2,100 is the live amount we got right now, with the markets facing a rejection basically quite for some minutes already. It's been 15 minutes since we are ranging and chopping around that price action with multiple rejections in the highs, which means that for safety security measures, I'll take out half of my position, which means I'm going to sell 50 Ethereums at this level, and I'm going to secure around $1,000. We're going to sell that. Beautiful. And with the rest $1,000 that's left on the 50 Ethereums that are still active, we're going to take our stop loss and increase it, right? We're going to move this one above the entry price on plus $26. So if the market right now decides to continue this rejection and complete the movement of a rejection, which means to pull back, we are risk-free. And at the same time, we have actually secured $1,000. If the market wants to, sort of a way, surprisingly continue the price action to the targets, then we are going to touch our $3,200 target on 50 Ethereums that are left. In this case scenario, it means that we are going to close with that 1 grand secured, or pretty much attached to that another $3,000, which means that you are completely risk-free of the 2 choices left. This is how I am performing on a day trading. This is the current situation. Episode number 1 here for you guys, updating you when we have the other news coming out with the result of the trade. We're gonna pause the recording and continue. Okay guys, resuming our recording. This is where we are. So the situation after selling those 50 Ethereums played out in our favor. We did not stop out. We have been continuing with the price action, as you can see, towards the target. At $3,024, we have been touching for the last 50 Ethereums. So at the same time, we've been pretty much having risk-free trading and running with the ability to close out on a nice profit. One thing has to be understood is that we got into the lower part of the exit range and then pulled back a little bit, as you can see, and I did not exit it from that situation, yet the market's pushed into the higher part of the exit zone, and we pretty much closed in at a decent $3,024 price action for the Ethereum. What does it mean in terms of results? Well, we got our PNL set up right here. So the first position at 2,979 50 Ethereums that we have closed got us about $1,000. And then the second position at 3,024 got us around $3,200, which means about $4,200 totally if you cut out the commissions. And so $4,200 pure profit on this specific day trade. It pretty much lasted 4 hours and 30 minutes, right? So that is not only decent, that is even better than that. Amazing stuff, right? So we got into a very, very good entry in the price action and handling the whole process, especially on a risk-free trade at the perfect momentum, advancing into selling out at a target with less risks involved and a great profit. Enjoy, guys. For those of you that care about education and would like to join my one-on-one coaching, you can check the link out in the description area and find out more about it. I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade in a comprehensive coaching between 4 to 6 weeks, including the ability to you to join my done-for-you trading, completely outsourced with API trading. We have the ability to trade without access to the accounts, just permission to trade, and simply based on commission from the pure profits made. That's pretty much all, guys. You can see many other things on my pages and channel, and all the links to everything can be found in the description area or in the comments area of this video. Enjoy, like the video, and take your time.